What's up guys, it's TechBud here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a phone case from a company called Nudient. Now they did send over this phone case to me, so I want to give a major thanks to them. Now what's astonishing about Nudient's cases are the fact that they are the most world's precise thin case. Now this is great because we've all had that one phone case that was just really obtrusive and very bulky, and it really just removed the whole premium feeling of your brand new phone. So with Nudient's brand new V3 phone case having a really precise fit and only measuring 1mm in thickness, it's going to make it feel as if you're not even using a case at all, yet still providing excellent protection. Nudient have always been making phone cases for iPhones, but up until recently they've also started making phone cases for Samsungs too. The case that I have is for the Samsung Galaxy S21. I also made an unboxing video of that, so if you would like to see that video, then click the tab in the top right. Nudient also makes Samsung cases for the Galaxy A32, the Galaxy A52 and the Galaxy S20 FE, and of course the Galaxy S21 Plus and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Nudient's cases also come in a variety of different colors. The color that I have for this case is the midwinter blue. Okay, so let's open this up. And as you can see, we are first greeted with the case in its midwinter blue color, which looks really good. The back of the phone has a really nice rubber feeling to it, which definitely helps with gripping the phone, and it also reduces the amount of fingerprints being produced. And of course, your case shouldn't only be protective on the outside, it needs to be protective on the inside as well, and that has definitely been accounted for with the soft fabric material that's inside of this case. This is going to help prevent scratches from any dirt or debris that may come in contact inside the case. And looking at the bottom, we can see two slits on either side, which will help fit your phone inside the case a lot more easier. Alright, so let's now put the phone inside the case. And now that we have the phone case on, we can see how strikingly accurate this phone case fits to the phone. The microphones, the speakers, the charging port, and even the cameras are all super precisely cut out, making this phone case look really good on your phone. And of course, with this case being really thin, it still allows you to wirelessly charge your phone. Another great feature about Nudient's V3 cases are the fact that they all have Nudient magnets at the back. This allows accessories like Nudient's thin card holder to be attached to the back of the case magnetically. So it's quite similar to Apple's MagSafe. However, with this, you don't need an iPhone 12. All you need is a phone with a V3 case, and that will allow it to attach magnetically to a thin card holder. And so that was my quick unboxing and review of the Nudient V3 case for the Samsung Galaxy S21. Nudient have just done an amazing job of making this phone case feel really premium. And when holding your phone, you genuinely do forget that you're using a case because of how slim it is. If any of you guys would like to get their new V3 cases, I will leave a link down in the description below. And a big thank you to Nudient for sending me over this case to review. And I will see you guys in my next video.